Alright guys, so here's my boss's tool cart, Sunex tool cart. Let's go ahead and do a quick tour. Air gauge, some more filter caps, lubricant, tape. Over here he got his Matco blow guns, transmission, extension, with all of his picks and scrapers, power probe, Milwaukee that doesn't stay closed anymore, flash grips. Oh, there you go. And mainly got all of his sockets, so snap-on, oxygen sensor, lug nuts, adapters, another oxygen sensor socket, snap-on, snap-on half-inch impacts, snap-on hex keys, some long Torx, 12-point or triple square, whatever you want to call them. We got some spark plug sockets, some miscellaneous universals, another Torx, more adapters, and some commonly used deep 1/4-inch drive, 15 and a 13, or 3/8 drive actually. And over here he got his other 1/4-inch adapters. Over here he has Matco and snap-on semi-deep universal impact sockets, SK screwdrivers. Well, that one's broken. Cabinet screwdrivers. Then over here he got his 1/4-inch deep snap-on sockets, Torx bit sockets, standard universal sockets, snap-on mag mixture. Got his 12-point for forwards, snap-on. Right here he got his metric universal sockets. I think these are Matco, snap-on. Another mixture, 3/8 deep, snap-on. So the logo, pretty old logo there. 3/8 drive. Over here he got the standard SAE hex. Over here is his metric hex sockets. So that's the top. You got the safety glasses, canister, silicone for gaskets. Alright, top drawer. It's a ratchet drawer and extensions. Got a Craftsman half-inch breaker bar, old snap-on 3/8 bent handle flex head, old Matco 3/8 ratchet, a new snap-on half-inch, bunch of extensions. I think they're all Matco half-inch drive extensions. Got the snap-on 3/8 or half-inch breaker bar actually. Snap-on extensions. These are actually the snap-on Marble Plus. And then his upholstery, some snap-on screwdrivers, ratcheting, screwdrivers, pry tools, all that good stuff. Valve stem remover for UV light, some bits, and then he has his 1/4-inch ratchets. A little tight-end bit ratchet. Long extension. Alright, second drawer. It's a wrench drawer, I guess. It's a blue point. Go all the way from 8 to 19. I like these ratchets. I haven't seen these. I got the 6-point on one end, reversible, and the 12-point on the other end. Really nice. There's some slip joint pliers, old picks, standard crow's feet, snap on, quarter-inch magnetic sockets from Sunex, standard and metric, some universal joints and an extension. This is only like 30 bucks on Amazon. Some old drill bits, some cheap drill bits I'm gonna use, and then he has some C-clamps. That's the second drawer. Third drawer is the money drawer, his power tool drawer. He's still air, doesn't like electric tools. So he got the MG325 snap-on, the MG725 half-inch, 3/8 air ratchet, snap-on quarter-inch ratchet. Got some Husky drills, Macro drill, Blue Point drill, Ingersoll Rand die grinder, Ingersoll Rand air hammer, Blue Point buffer, polisher, whatever you want to call it. And of course he got all of his, you know, things to change out for the die grinder, some burr bits, tools, cleaning pads, wire wheels, all of his things for the air hammer. That's the really long ones here. That's the power. Fourth drawer is his plier drawer. So you got a bunch of different pliers, some snap ring pliers, snap-on, needle noses, hose clamps, adjustable wrench, snap ring. These are for the dust caps on when you're doing brakes. Take off the dust cap for the bearings, bearing dust cap, mover, long dikes, some tongue groove pliers, Blue Point, adjustable tires, hose clamp pliers, snap-on hose clamp pliers, slip joint pliers, wire strippers, some little shears. I don't know what he uses these for, but they're there for hoses, cutting hoses, some Mac pliers, right angle. That's his plier drawer. Fourth drawer is his plier drawer. You got a bunch of different pliers, some snap ring pliers, snap-on, needle noses, hose clamps, adjustable wrench, snap ring. These are for the dust caps on when you're doing brakes. Take off the dust cap for the bearings, bearing dust cap, mover, long dikes, some tongue groove pliers, Blue Point, adjustable tires, hose clamp pliers, snap-on hose clamp pliers, slip joint pliers, wire strippers, some little shears. I don't know what he uses these for, but they're there for hoses, cutting hoses, some Mac pliers, right angle. The last two drawers are pretty empty, I think. We just got the knee pad, some fasteners, flashlight box, and that's for his power probe, but he has it up top, so last two drawers are pretty empty. Other than that, that is my boss's snap-on tool quart. It's not snap-on, Sunex. I don't know why I said snap-on, but very, very nice tool cart. I actually like it better than my snap-on tool cart, but not for the casters. This doesn't move as smoothly as my snap-on, so I guess that's where you pay the difference. But the way these feel, pretty good quality. 600 bucks for this cart. Anyways, thanks for watching.